Hi adventurers, and welcome to the LARP Peddler's channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to build the Athos gorget for your Musketeer character, or any shoot and pike style character. Don't forget that you can get this pattern at the link in the description, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. In my case, I cut the pieces with my laser cutter, but you can see how to put the pattern together and cut the pieces in this other video. Once cut, use an edge beveler to round the edges on all the pieces that need it. You can see how I decorated the straps in this other video, but you can use any other decoration you like. As you can see, this piece is full of embossed decorations. I've never been a fan of the leather embossing process and don't usually do it, so I looked for a quick and easy way to do it. I bought this electric embosser and, using a nail, I rounded the tip so I could emboss the leather easily. If you enjoy the traditional process, do it however you feel most comfortable. Moisten the leather and go over all the lines of the decoration. While the pieces are drying, you can make the strips for the leather trim. In this case, I used goat skin about 0.8 millimeters thick, so I have to dye it using the usual process. You can also do this with suede of a similar thickness. For the dyeing process, I use alcohol-based dye applied with a mini painting air gun and a small air compressor. This saves me time and dye and allows me to create variations in the color tone. If you don't have these tools, you can do it with a brush in the usual way. Use gloss varnish for leather. You can apply it with a brush as usual. It's important that the varnish is glossy if you're going to do the next step. Otherwise, use any varnish you like. In this step, use a mixture of equal parts black acrylic paint and water, and use a piece of cloth to remove the excess. The gloss varnish helps create a non-stick layer so the ink can flow more easily. To cut the strips, I use this tool to save time, but you can also do it with a metal ruler and cutter. Once the gorget pieces are dry, proceed to dye them following the same steps as with the trim leather. Use fine grit sandpaper to distress the leather a little. I use a sanding sponge like the ones used in woodworking. This process will help highlight the engravings and give your piece a worn look that will add personality to your character. To begin assembly, start by sewing the chest plate. You can skip the stitching or the rivets, but doing both will give it a more professional look. Next, sew the collar piece to the gorget base. If you were paying attention, you'll see that I assembled the straps switched, but that's okay. Let's take this opportunity to see how we can remove the rivets to fix these mistakes. Tap the rivet with a hammer on a sturdy surface. Now use a drill at low speed to break the rivet. You'll see that the rivet comes out very easily. Now we would assemble the straps correctly, but not yet, as these straps could get in the way when sewing the leather trim, so we'll leave that for later. It's time for the leather trim. It's completely optional, but I think it adds an interesting and distinctive touch. As you can see, I use double-sided tape to hold the leather in place before sewing it, but you can use contact cement. Hammer the trim onto a sturdy surface to conform it to the leather piece, especially at the corners. You can again use fine sandpaper to distress the trim and give your piece more depth. I used my cobbler's sewing machine to sew the trim, but you can do it by hand using your preferred sewing method. Now we can finish the assembly process. Attach the eyelets to each side of the gorget and rivet the straps, this time in their correct positions, and your Athos gorget will be ready for your adventure. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Remember that you can get this pattern at the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next chapters of this Athos Musketeer set. See you in the next videos, and I hope you have a great adventure.